Alright guys, so I have put in a little something different this time. As you can see, we have pork chops. We also have some chicken in here. So it's ready to go down. So I used a little bit of this right here. Good stuff. In English, that will be all-purpose seasoning. Salt. And I got some parsley flakes. Supreme Tradition. Really good stuff. And I also bought some new stuff. Some McCormick Perfect Pinch Lemon and Pepper seasoning. So all that's in here. And I cut up a few pieces of onion, that be as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get ready to add my water in here. Excuse me. Ready to add my water. Give me 1 second to get my cup. Huh? This? Okay. Let me get my water together. Use the stuff in my finger. I just got to give the kids drink. So I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna use this as my measuring to put a little water in my stuff. So for the crock pot, I set it on 10. That way in the morning when I get up, it should be ready and ready to eat. So you don't have to completely fill it up all the way, but you want to get it filled enough to the point where you can say it was covered. So I'm going to take these, because I just washed my hands. I don't like to put my hand back on stuff once I've already seasoned it. But I'm going to kind of go in here a little bit. And because the bottom wasn't completely seasoned, I'm going to open back up my stuff like so. And put a little more season in it, only because I like my stuff completely seasoned. So I'm going to repeat the process now that I've got everything back where it needs to be at. And I'm going to put just a tad of the all-purpose seasoning, because you don't want your food to be too salty. So I'm going to put a little bit in there. And so now that I've done that, like so, I'm going to take this and put this down here. See, got my onions. Yes, love my onion to give it a little kick. And just because I do like to add a little some to it. Y'all see my cabinet? Organization, baby. Organization. Look at that. Dollar Tree was my thing. Yes, Lord. So, because we do have some chicken in here, we're going to open up a thing of this. Yes. I know. Knorr. I don't know how to pronounce that, but whatever. It's a good thing. And my friend turned me on to this, and she was like, girl, you need to go ahead and put some of this in your food when you cooking. So this is right here. It's like a chicken flavored. And I'm going to show you how it looks once I get to throw it in here. It gives it a little more of a flavor, like a chicken flavor or whatnot. So this is what it looks like. That little square right there. So you just pop it in. It doesn't matter where you put it at. And so I got one of these little fancy crock pots. I got it for Christmas, actually. And so you want to kind of see that. This is how it goes in right there. So, and then I'm gonna put the top down on it. And so I'm gonna let that sit overnight. So I'm gonna pull it back over like this. Hold on. I'll pull it all the way back, because you don't want it on the end of the counter if you got kids. So I pulled it back. You see where that's at? So I pulled it back. Well, I let it sit for overnight, which is 10 hours. That's going to actually cook. But then it'll have itself on warm to continue the process later on down the line. And later on, once it's done, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll make it with some little barbecue sauce to the side, or make my own sauce so that it'll be good. So tomorrow we're gonna have the pork chops and a chicken with some mashed potatoes and macaroni and cheese, and a little cornbread or biscuits, depending on the one I decide to make. But yeah, that's the routine that I go through when making my pork chops and chicken. You want to always get a crock pot. I love my crock pots. They're the bomb. I got another crock pot right here. I've had it for so long. It's an old one. But I already got something in the other one in the refrigerator. But This is how big this one actually is. It does the same thing, same everything. So don't ever be shy and afraid to invest in you a crock pot. Crock pots are your friends, okay? So y'all have a good night. Enjoy yourself. Get some rest if you ain't got to go to work tomorrow like I don't. And do you. And I'll come back later on tomorrow to show you guys how I've done a lot of my things. Also, I'll talk about my couponing also. So y'all have a good night. Peace out.